When the claw is dropped down through the trap door, I pick up the cut and take off the ticket. Upstairs at the perch, they weigh and measure the cloth. They write everything on this ticket. They put chalk marks on the cloth, so I'll know where to look for threads that shouldn't be there, and slubs, like knots, bumps in the cloth. My job is to get all those things out. I use these scissors, or this burling iron, so I can cut off the threads. I put a number on the ticket and the day's date. That's so we can keep track of what cut it is. This tag follows the cloth on down to the end, so we always know what piece of cloth it is. The menders pick up where I leave off, over there by the windows. They sit on those benches and fix up the runs in the cloth.
The burler sends us cuts as she finishes them. We pick up one of the bundles after another. We put it over the big long roller there above our heads. We roll it over that and look for the marks where we need to sew. Sometimes it's a broken stitch, and sometimes a long draw. A long draw means when they threaded the loom wrong. I have to stand up a lot to look for the flaws underneath the rollers to see better. Then I can sit when I start sewing. There's 6 or 8 of us here, one in front of each window that do this work. We get together and talk at lunchtime. We each do about 2 or 3 cuts a day.